Hello and welcome to this new lesson. Today we will talk about another method for making money without the need for experience or a website, which is content writing. If you are a blogger and content writer and your English is good, you can now earn $100 for every article you write for the famous Listverse site. Listverse requires several things to pay for your articles. Before mentioning these things, let's see their interface. Now, as you can see, this is the Listverse website. This is its interface. As you can see here, it has many articles. So, things that are required to pay for your articles from Listverse. First, site accepts articles that list no less than 10 points. So your article needs to be filled with at least 10 points. The site accepts interesting and attractive articles. The articles should not be less than 100 or 1500 words or 1500 words. The site requires that the article be exclusive and not copied. This is obvious because it's paying you 100 for an article. The site reviews all the articles that are sent to them. If the site approved articles, they will send $100 to your account. For example, you can see some of these articles here and here. As you can see, this 10 bizarre attempts at vertical takeoff and landing aircrafts. Number 10, as you can see, it's pointed 9, 8 until it reaches 1, and it has information and videos and photos, so your article must look professional so that the website will pay you for it. Articles that are approved should be useful and fun at the same time as adding new information to the user in a fun way. So when writing your article before submitting it, make sure to take these points in mind. If you are interested in adding an article to a site that more than 15 million people is visiting a month, compile a list of 10 points and discuss them in 1500 words and send them to the Listverse website. As you can see, you can simply click submit a list. You can add your details, full name, email address, PayPal address, your author information, your top 10 list title, a clear introduction to your list. Enter the full content of your list here, then click I agree. As you can see, they don't require you sign up in their website. They just ask for your PayPal account, and if they liked your top 10 list, they will publish it in their website and send you the $100. It's a very simple and easy thing. Now, that's it for this method. It's a very straightforward method. It needs a good English command and a writing skills, and you can get $100 for each article. If you have any question regarding this method, please ask in the Q&A board. We are here to help you. Thanks for watching. This is Money Makers Team.